Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here and I'm back with another video. Guys, today I'm just tidying up my dining room, just a quick light clean, and I'll just speed through the video and show you guys how I am cleaning up all my stuff from my New Year's tablescape and all the mess that we've had in this dining room for a little bit. I'm just cleaning it all away, giving it a good clean wipe down, hoover, and sorting it all out. If you're new to this channel, a big welcome to you. Thank you for stopping in, and thank you to my returning subscribers. I welcome you all. So without further ado guys, let's get into cleaning up this mess that we've made in this dining room. So keep watching guys. Thank you all very much. So guys, I am done tidying my dining room, and this is what it looks like. Table looks like. I haven't put anything much on the table. I've just decided to put a mirrored tray. So I've got a marble and gold mirrored tray, and I've just put 2 candle holders and a vase with some flowers. Quite simple but beautiful. And over here on my console table, I've kept it quite minimal as well. I've got me a vase with some picks, and I've been using this picks all over. I'm just reusing things that I already had in the house, and my 2 wine glass candle holders. Okay. And on this side, in this little corner here, I've just got a little side table and candle stand and a plant. And I love a bit of greenery, so this is what it looks like. Quite simple, quite minimalistic and beautiful. So thank you all very much for watching. Thank you all for your love and support. And if you enjoyed watching this video, guys, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you are not a part of the Xcellence family, go ahead, guys, and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I would really appreciate it. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a lovely day and be blessed. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.